I am Mathias Perle, and I am the Restoration Program Manager with the Upper Deschutes Watershed Council. During my Whychus watershed presentation, I will be focused on talking about watershed-scale habitat restoration efforts on Whychus Creek. Habitat restoration efforts have been underway on Whychus Creek for over 15 years, and the community has really gotten behind and supported this work. Much of this habitat restoration work is closely tied to restoring the proper conditions on the landscape that will help make Chinook salmon and steelhead trout reintroduction efforts successful. We have been able to increase pace and scale of habitat restoration efforts in Whychus Creek over the last 15 years through strategic partnership work with a close group of nonprofits, along with state and federal agencies that include the Deschutes Land Trust, the Deschutes River Conservancy, and the Upper Deschutes Watershed Council. Restoration science continues to evolve, and on Whychus Creek, we continue to learn and adapt so we can better help restore abundant and productive habitat on the landscape for both fish and wildlife. Working with partners, researchers, and practitioners, we have been focusing on looking beyond the river channel itself to restoring processes across the entire river valley. These processes include providing a shallow groundwater table that supports valley-wide riparian vegetation, promoting deposition of sediments, including gravels and fine sediments across the valley floor, providing a diversity of water depths and water velocities and water temperatures to meet the varying needs of aquatic species. These processes, once restored, help complex habitats to evolve and be maintained over time. We call this riverscape restoration.